Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about a challenge that many students and professionals are facing right now. Machine learning and artificial intelligence are becoming some of the most important skills in today's technology industry. But the biggest difficulty people face is not knowing where to start, or how to learn these skills in a structured way. Many learners try watching random tutorials online, but without a proper roadmap, it becomes difficult to understand how machine learning models are actually built and deployed in real-world applications. That is why structured professional learning programs are becoming very important for anyone who wants to build a career in artificial intelligence, data science, or modern software development. One such structured program is the Machine Learning with Scikit-learn, PyTorch, and Hugging Face Professional Certificate available on the Coursera platform. This professional certificate is designed to help learners understand machine learning step by step using industry-standard tools like Python, Scikit-learn, PyTorch, and Hugging Face. These tools are widely used in real companies for building intelligent systems and modern AI applications. Coursera, the program follows a practical learning approach where you do not just study theory, but also work on real-world machine learning workflows such as data pre-processing, feature engineering, model selection, and evaluation techniques. Another important advantage of this course is that it covers both classical machine learning methods and modern deep learning techniques. Learners get exposure to supervised learning, unsupervised learning, time series forecasting, natural language processing, reinforcement learning, and even generative AI concepts, including large language models. The course also includes hands-on projects and a final capstone project where you build a complete machine learning solution from problem, definition to deployment. This helps learners develop confidence in applying their skills and illustrate practical scenarios instead of only understanding concepts theoretically. Coursera, one of the most useful aspects of this professional certificate is that it helps learners understand the full machine learning lifecycle. That means you learn how to collect data, clean it, prepare it for training, choose the right model, evaluate performance, and finally deploy solutions in real environments. This makes the program suitable not only for software engineers and data analysts, but also for beginners who already know basic Python and want to move into machine learning roles. Another benefit is that after completing the program, learners receive a professional certificate from Coursera that can be added to their resume or LinkedIn profile to demonstrate practical machine learning skills. Because artificial intelligence is now being used in almost every industry, including finance, healthcare, automation, and software development, learning these skills can open many career opportunities. So if you are planning to move into machine learning, deep learning, or generative AI development, learning through a structured professional certificate like this can make your learning journey more organized and effective. You can check the link in the description to get this professional certificate course from the website. Take care and subscribe to keep learning. See you in another video.